it's Bree and I'm back with another video this week. So I filmed a Care of video in July and I thought I would do a follow-up on it. So my previous video is one of my more popular videos and it was an unboxing video. This video is going to be just a quick video on like my review and my honest opinion of the products that I got and if I still use them or reordered them and whatnot. So I'm just going to kind of briefly go over that just to like recap and everything. When I received my Care of package, I received 5 products. I decided not to do the vitamins just because a lot of the vitamins that were recommended to me I already had in my cabinet, so I kind of just leaned away from that. I know that they have a bunch of new vitamins out for hair and skin and whatnot. I don't know necessarily how new they were, but the last time I went on their website, they were up, and those seemed like vitamins that I was more interested in and that I didn't have it in my cabinet already. But these 5 products were like proteins and things along those lines and powders. I don't have it to show, but I'll drop a picture like right here. It's gonna be the vanilla whey protein. The vanilla whey protein was like something that I was really excited to try. It was great in just water, and I made it in smoothies as well. I preferred it in smoothies just because the water, I think it had great flavor. I went through it really fast. I got like 5 packets of it, so I kind of wish I got the big jar of it, but I ended up getting plant protein as well, so I kind of got 5 packets of each just to see how everything was. But I would definitely recommend if you're looking for a protein. I'm not exactly sure on the calories and whatnot, but I go into detail in my other video, which is the unboxing video, if you guys haven't seen that already. So if you need to know all of the nutrition facts and whatnot, I know I list some in there, or you can just go on their website and check it out. The second product I got, let's see, I still have the box, but I don't have any of the little packs left. It's gonna be like the Chia Flax. The Chia Flax was because I wanted to shit, but I obviously like this product as well. Definitely worked. Wasn't too much. I mix these in my smoothies. Obviously you don't just throw it in water. It wouldn't be good that way. But it's chia and flax, so great for yogurt, smoothies, whatnot. I would definitely recommend this. So the next thing I got was the Maca. So this is like kind of like an energy booster. I still have 2 left. From my previous video, I kind of smelled it and I tasted it with just water, which you're not supposed to do because the smell and the taste, it's very distinct and it's not that great. I did like this product. I did feel the energy from it. I think I just forgot about it in my cabinet, honestly, and didn't after I was like done trying it a few times. But this came with 5 packets as well, and now that I'm filming this video, I will be using the rest. I would buy it again, but I like to try other products and see how those work. Right now I'm trying superfoods, so I got a whole bundle of that, and I'm going to be doing like a whole unboxing video and review video, and let me tell you, they're so good. I am in love with every single one, and I'm going to keep ordering them. So that's why I kind of like pushed all of this stuff to the side, because they are great products for the most part. It's just I have preferences. So the next thing is Gut Check. This was for digestion. 5 little powder packets, or they're called Quick Sticks. Honestly, I never even tried them, so I couldn't give you my honest opinion on them. You know what? I'm gonna try right now. So the only reason I didn't want to try them was because I didn't like the idea that it was literally powder that you pour into your mouth. And it says like you don't need any water, you don't need to mix it with anything. I'm sure you could mix it with something. I just don't like the pixie stick action. But I guess I'll try it right now. If this tastes terrible, I blame you. Like, I don't know what this is gonna taste like, and that's why I'm scared. That's pretty good. That actually tastes like a pixie stick, not gonna lie. It's like, it tastes like little fruit chews, like fruity, like a grapefruit punch combo. That was not bad at all. Whether it's gonna do any good, I'm not exactly sure. But, I mean, if pixie stick type little packets are your thing, then go for it. It does not taste like shit. So, I got the hardest part out of the way with. It honestly tastes like straight sugar, which isn't that great either, but oh well. Last but not least, the plant protein. Mama always saves best for last. Yeah, no. Plant protein, still have the box, and I still have the 3 packets. Oh, it came with 5. I gave it 2 go-arounds, and 2 was more than enough. That's all I'm gonna say. I did not like it. I did not like the texture, I did not like the taste, I did not like the smell. I like none of that. And I wasn't just, oh, I tried it once. First I tried it in water, just because I tried the whey vanilla protein in water. So I was like, oh, okay, I'll just try this one in water. I had 2 sips, and I'm telling you, I tried. No. So I decided to give myself like a few day break, and I was like, I'm gonna try this again. It's gonna be good. I have faith in this. Second mistake, trying it again. It was in a smoothie that time. Thought that like the mixture of like berries and banana and whatever else bullshit I put in there would kind of overtake the flavor, but it, between the texture and the taste, no, it ruined the smoothie. Didn't even want to drink that. So I just never decided to give it a go for a 3rd time or a 4th or a 5th. And that was enough for me to like form my opinion on it. That was the first plant protein I had. So I kind of figured, oh, maybe plant proteins all have this texture, all have this type of taste. And it was vanilla. So I was like expecting it to be at least like a little, you know, better, but it wasn't. I tried more plant proteins after that, did not have a problem with them. I thought they were great. This one in specific just did not sit well with my taste buds. So I wouldn't recommend. Obviously that's only my opinion. Some people may love it, some people may hate it. I'm just trying to put that info out there so you guys know. But yeah. So those are the 5 products that I've been trying over the course of a few months. I don't really plan on reordering anything, but if I had the chance to, I would. I just kind of want to try other things and like see what works for me. The only reason I ordered this in the first place was because of the sweat coin little deal they had going on, and I just bought it with that. So did I really pay money? No. My steps did. That's all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions about anything, or if you're curious about my last video, I'll link it down below. If there's any requests or whatnot, just let me know, and I will see you guys next week. Thank you for watching.